Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add extensions in your Mihon app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first thing what we need to do is open up the Mihon app. Then from here, go ahead and click onto More. Click into Settings. Then from here, Browse. Then click onto Extensions Repo. And now we need to go ahead and add an extension. So we need to find that repo. So add extension repos to Mihon. This should be a URL that ends with index.min.json. So what I've done, I've just searched the Kyoshi extensions. You can find any extensions on Google or on GitHub, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to use this one here. So I'm going to click into this GitHub. I'm going to scroll down, and now it's going to give us the URL. So here it is here. So I want to go ahead and copy this. So from here, copy link address. Now head back into Mihon. Now paste that back into here and then click add. And then that's going to go ahead and add that into Mihon. I've already got this extension added in previously.